Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to another video tutorial related taking online classes. In my last two videos, I explained how you can use Microsoft OneNote and Screenomatic to record an online video tutorial and then to share it with your students. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain another method where you can interact with your students live. The student can participate, they can perform certain activities, you can even check their activities online. So after this video, inshallah, you will have another option to proceed with e-learning. There are many software that are used for live interaction with the audience or with the students or even for the meetings. I used different software, GoToMyMeeting, Periscope, TeamViewer, and many more software which are available. But after using these software for a long period of time, I reached to a conclusion. The software that I'm going to share with you and I will explain you how to use it. I found it more user friendly, easy to use, and with less equipment you can use it. The name of the software is Zoom. Here you can see on the screen. I have downloaded it. I'm using it. The name of the software is Zoom. Let's first learn how to install Zoom. So you need to go to your browser. I will open the Google Chrome here. You can go to zoom.us. If not, in the Google you can search Zoom download. Here you have different options for the Zoom download. Go to the official website of Zoom, which is zoom.us download. So download center. So here you can go to download center, open it. Once you will open, you will have different options to download for different systems. Different options are available. You can use any option of your requirement. If you need to do it for your mobile, for your PC, you are using Mac system, Windows system, all options are available. After checking your required system requirements, you can download the software. It don't take much space. Now, Zoom is a free software, but with the free software, you have some limitations, like you have the time limitation. A maximum meeting of 40 minutes you can take using Zoom. But if they have certain plans, if you want to use for unlimited times with unlimited number of participants, then you can pay for that as well. But normally our classes are up to 20 to 25 students, so the free version support up to 100 participants for up to 40 minutes. Sometimes it gives 30 to 35 minutes approximately. So normal class timing is where you have to explain to your students is this one. Even I will let you know a method where you can use the extension of the minutes uh, after when I will explain how to use, so you can understand that. So that will not be a problem in using at all. So I will recommend you better use free version instead of paying. Once you download it, as I have already downloaded it in my system, after downloading, you need to make an account for that. Like I will open my Zoom here. Once you will open it, for the first time you need to make an account. Making the account is very simple. It don't take much time. Here, if you come to your home, you will see it will show you here your login details. If you have to sign out and want to, here is the option if you want to upgrade to pro version after paying. So it's up to you. You can do. Now, one more thing in this application is in other applications like Periscope, you show the live broadcast and certain options. Anyone having your ID can join that. But in Zoom, you can control your users for the times and all these things. There are different options. Now you have the option here to join a meeting, and here is you can even schedule your meeting well in advance and before that it will let you know that you have your meeting timings. When you will open the schedule, what I usually do is I schedule my all the meetings before I have to attend the meetings. So here you will go to the schedule option. A window will open here. In this you have to select the timing of the meeting. Here is the date, and here you have to select the how long you want the meeting. Even if you don't select that one, it doesn't matter. Here is the time zone. Time zone is very important as we are here in Saudi Arabia, so we have Riyadh time zone, GMT plus 3, so we can. And here are other options. One option is meeting ID, generate automatically, or you want to use the personal meeting ID. It is your choice, whatever you want. Here is another option that it create a password for the meeting, required meeting password or not. So it's up to you. You want to share with your users password, meeting the person who want to attend the meeting. You want to share the password with them, or you want to make it just after creating the link. So I will not create the password here. So if I will not create the passwords, I can just I need to remove the check here. Here you have the options. You the host want to keep the video on or off, and here the participant video should be on or off. So it's up to you. Even during the meeting you can change this option. There will be no problem. So I'm going to put it on off, and here also off. So it's always better that when you put option of video off, it will consume less data, and the meeting will go smoothly. Here are the audio options. I will use the telephone and computer audio. So it's always when you are using, use telephone and computer audio. So that will be. And here is the calendar. You want to use Outlook, Google Calendar, or other calendar. So it doesn't matter whatever option you select. So I will just schedule the meeting right now. Here the timing has been selected. Whatever the timing you want, you can select the timing of your choice. After that, you can select the timing here as well, and you can schedule the meeting. Once you will schedule the meeting, it will take few seconds. This Outlook window will open. You can cancel it. There is no use of that for a normal meeting. Okay. Once you created your meeting, here is the option to check your meetings. If you have any number of the scheduled meetings, that will appear here. For example, I created this meeting here. It's showing that from 1 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. you have the meeting. This is your meeting ID. Now it's up to you. You want to share with your user your meeting ID, or you want to copy an invitation. Okay. And here, even if you want to edit after creating a meeting, you make your mind to edit the meeting timings or whatever you want to edit. So here is the option to edit. You can edit the meeting. Okay. And you want to get the password, you can get the password. If you don't want to get the password, you can just remove that check, and then again you can save that. Okay. Once again this window will open. You can remove this window from here. Okay, once you created your meeting, now the next step is to start the meeting. But before starting the meeting, you need to let your users know about the meeting. So there are different methods. You can let them know your meeting ID. They can enter the meeting ID, and if a user want to join, he will come to the join option, and he can enter the meeting ID. Okay, and here can select the option that don't connect to the audio or turn off my video. Any option that user who want to connect can use that one. Okay, but I personally prefer the link method, and automatically link will be created when you will create a meeting. So you can copy the invitation from here. Okay, once you copy the invitation, you can use different ways. You can open in your web browser, your WhatsApp, copy and paste the meeting. Okay, once you will copy and paste the meeting, I will just show you how it will appear. Once you will copy and paste the meeting, it will be just like that. A link will be created, and the user will see this type of link. Okay, so can use any of the option. First it will let the user know who is inviting you to the meeting, and then topic also. You can select the topic of the meeting, time of the meeting, join meeting. The person who want to join the meeting, this URL is created here, can click on the URL to join the meeting, or even can connect by using the meeting ID. There are other options as well that can be availed using the local number, and all these options are available. So user can connect. Normally user just need to connect with this one. It will click and automatically will reach to the meeting. Once the user will join the meeting and you have started the meeting, how to start? Let's see here. Simply what you will do, you will open here, click the start button, your meeting will start. It will take some time, few seconds, depends on your internet speeds. So now it will give you the option that you want to start the video or you don't want to start the video. Every option will be there. So it's better don't do anything. You have already created whatever you want to edit, whatever you want to do with your meeting. So next option is the share option. What you want to share with your user. So when you will open any window which open here will appear here that you want to share whatever with your user. It's your choice. You want to share the whiteboard, so you will come to the whiteboard option. Okay, once you will open the whiteboard option, there is but for using the whiteboard you need an external device. How to connect the external device I will explain in another video. You have here spotlight, you have here eraser, you have here format option. There are different options. Clear the drawings, like anything you write on the whiteboard you want to explain, you can write on the whiteboard. The whiteboard will be shared with the, you want to draw here, you have different shapes to draw. Same way like in Microsoft OneNote you have the options to draw the shape, so you can select that one as well. You have here different shape option you can use. If you want to clear, you can clear all the drawings in one step, but if you don't want to clear everything, you have the option to use your eraser tool here. You can use the eraser tool, and all these things can be used here. Okay, and here you have the option. If you want to pause the share, you can pause share here. If you want to resume the share, you can resume the share here. If you want to start a new share, instead of whiteboard, you want to show something else to your students, any video or any page from the internet, so you can come to the new share here. With the new share, you can show anything you want to show to your user. Whatever will be open in your computer, you can share that, but you must need to open it once and then you will be able to share. So like here is the document I just shared. That no, that screen will appear to the user, previous screen will not. Here are some annotate that you can. Okay, here are even using that one you can use. You are using, you can add with the any other screen, you can use the annotate to circle. Like you open a web page and you want to explain your user, so you can use the annotate option over there. You can minimize that also. On the side you have the other options. You have the recording options as well. Once you open the recording will appear here, that it will let the user as well know that the person is recording the screen. Here you can manage your participants. Different ways to manage your participants. You can mute your participants, you can allow them to participate, you can mute all, you can unmute all, and you will also come to know about the number of participants, the people who are participating, so you can control them. Other options are also, if you come here, you can disable participant and annotations, because sometimes during the class if a participant is disturbing, you can even select that this person can annotate, interfere or not. So I always prefer to disable the participant annotation and just allow them when they need. And here are some other options as well. You can manage the participants. You want to mute yourself, you want to start a video, video can be started. Even you can ask a user to start the video to check their work and all these things. So once you will use it, you will find it very simple, and much more simpler than other applications, easy to use. Still, if you have any doubt, any query to ask, you can let me know through the message. Thank you. And the last step to end the meeting. For example, I'm going to end the meeting here. So you'll just click the end meeting. Once you will end meeting, if you are on the recording,